Ever dreamed of turning your spare change into something bigger? Maybe you've dabbled in a piggy bank or a shoebox stuffed with bills. But what if there was a way to make your money work for you, even if you're just starting out? Context 030 to 130. This is where Wealthsimple comes in. It's a popular investment platform that's making waves for its user-friendly approach. But before you dive headfirst into the world of stocks and shares, there's one crucial question: how do you actually get your money into Wealthsimple? That's where today's video comes in. We'll be guiding you through the process of transferring cash to your Wealthsimple account, step by step. So, whether you've been saving up your birthday money or have a few extra bucks from your side hustle, this video will equip you to kickstart your investment journey. Introducing different account types, 130 to 230. Hold on a sec, though. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of transferring funds, it's important to understand the different account types Wealthsimple offers. Here's a quick breakdown. Cash account. This is like a jazzed-up checking account. You can store your money, send Interac e-transfers, and even get a Wealthsimple cash card for everyday purchases. Trading accounts. This is where the real investing magic happens. You can choose from various accounts like TFSA, tax-free savings account, or RRSP, registered retirement savings plan, depending on your tax goals. These accounts let you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and even fractional shares. Choosing your deposit method, 230 to 430. Now that you're familiar with the account types, let's talk about getting that cash flowing. Wealthsimple offers a few convenient ways to fund your account. Linked bank account. This is the most common method. You can connect your bank account to Wealthsimple and transfer funds directly. It's secure and usually takes just a couple of business days for the money to reflect in your account. Interac e-transfer. Need your funds in a flash? Interac e-transfer is your friend. This option allows for instant deposits, perfect for those times you see an investment opportunity you can't miss. Visa or MasterCard debit card. Wealthsimple lets you connect your debit card for instant deposits of up to $3,500. This is a great option for smaller deposits or if you prefer not to link your bank account. Step-by-step guide to depositing cash, 430 to 730. Alright, let's put theory into practice. Here's how to deposit cash to your Wealthsimple account using the mobile app. The process is similar for the web platform. Log into your Wealthsimple app. Tap the Move tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Deposit. Choose Add Funds. Now, you'll need to decide where you want the funds to go. If you're new to Wealthsimple, you might only have a cash account for now. Select the appropriate account. Tap Next. Under Deposit From, you'll see your linked bank accounts, debit cards, or the option for Interac e-transfer. Choose your preferred method. Enter the amount you want to deposit and follow any additional prompts depending on your chosen method. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Pro tips and additional information, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Minimum deposit amounts. Keep in mind that there might be minimum deposit amounts depending on your chosen method. Check Wealthsimple's website for current details. Transfer times. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days to reflect in your account. Interac e-transfer and debit card deposits are usually instant. Security. Wealthsimple uses industry-standard security measures to protect your information and funds. Always ensure you're using the official Wealthsimple app and website to avoid any scams. Considering your investment strategy, 9 to 10 o'clock. Now that you've successfully funded your Wealthsimple account, it's time to think about your investment strategy. Remember, this video focused.